no matter how screwed up, if you will, you think you are, there's never not an opportunity. If you're willing to put in the effort as a patient and you find a provider that is willing to work with you, change can happen.
Welcome to Fempower Health. This is Georgie, your host. Season 5 starts next week, and here's what's coming your way. We hear it over and over about the lack of funding and data for women's health.
This is definitely data that we need to start looking at because we know, that women experience some mental illnesses such as anxiety and depression and PTSD disproportionately to males.
We discuss how this impacts the care we receive.
We need to get rid of a diagnostic laparoscopy. We need to stop letting just any old doctor open up patients because it is a recipe for disaster.
Over and over, I find disease penetrating all the way through the vagina that no one's seen because the speculum covers it up and they're just looking at the cervix.
And it's not just the data, but a complex and broken system where doctors are doing the best that they can.
We don't really have a healthcare system that's set up for this right now. I mean, we barely have a healthcare system that's functioning as it is.
Sometimes as patients, when we've had bad experience with clinicians, it's easy to villainize doctors and say, the doctors, they're not doing good enough, they're not doing enough. I just don't think that's true. They really got into medicine to help people and were met with a really broken system.
And how so many organizations and individuals are making an impact.
When Medicare says they're going to cover something, private insurance companies very often follow. They create something called an NCD, or a National Coverage Determination. It would be extraordinarily important if drugs that got FDA approval were able to get an NCD from Medicare. We don't know if that would happen.
Do you see psychedelics potentially being part of mainstream healthcare?
Oh yeah, I won't stop until they are.
As you can see, Season 5 is filled with incredible content and top-notch guests to empower you as you navigate your health journey. Be sure to subscribe where you listen to podcasts so that you can be alerted for when these new episodes go live. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter at fempower-health.com/newsletter. And you can check out the show notes for other ways to support the Fempower Health podcast so we can bring this content to you on a weekly basis. And last but not least, in case you didn't know it, Fempower Health has a YouTube channel and we've started loading the video version of the podcast. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to sharing these new episodes with you.